just came back from the mechanic, and well, the Sprinter update. It needs 4 injectors and a turbo. Work carried out, and DPF is filling up with oil, so not good. Well, initially we thought that the injectors might have not been programmed, but they are shot, so that's one thing to fix. Apparently common issue on Sprinters, but the other issue with the turbo is that it's taking oil somehow, and obviously the oil is coming through the top, going to the GR filter and out of the exhaust, so not good, but fixable. On Monday we're going to do a compression test, which will give us an idea if the block is good. In other news, the Boxer had a service today, oil change, and some diagnostics because it was losing power on a really hot day. And well, the feedback that I got back, the customer advisory I got back was one tire cracked, not the end of the world. Overboost pressure adjustment, mechanical malfunction. That does sound good. Also, we have a EGR valve signal above maximum limit. Not good. And glow plugs under 1 and 3 show issue. So, more things to fix. Yay!